Hi, I'm Sam Asher, founder and president of the Asher Group. I'm here today to demonstrate the HyperReach emergency notification system, and specifically how naturally and seamlessly our mapping feature, AccuReach, allows you to notify people within a geographic area of an emergency. AccuReach is fully integrated with Google Maps, giving you unprecedented power and ease of use in your calling campaigns. I'm just going to log in here and see my account. Notice the current system message displayed when you first log in. Next, I'm going to select the AccuReach tab. As you can see, there are several kinds of AccuReach calling campaigns. We're going to make a map-based calling campaign by clicking here. AccuReach displays a map centered on your location. Now, believe it or not, one of the most frequent needs for a map-based calling campaign is in response to a hostage crisis. So we're going to walk through the process of running an AccuReach campaign in response to a hostage crisis in an urban neighborhood. Let's say the response team on the ground has an address. The address can be vague or precise. Let me demonstrate. Writing in the address, Corner, Pearl, and Meg Streets. As you can see, HyperReach immediately centers the map on the specified location. Now I'm going to type in our office address of 3300 Monroe Ave, and I'm even misspelling Monroe to show you that this is a pretty tolerant system. Here it's centered in again. You can zoom in, zoom out. If you have any doubt as to where you are on the map, you can even overlay a satellite picture of the map area. Once you have the map in front of you, you can select an area by simply clicking where you would like the perimeter to be. Click on as many or as few points as you need to define the target area. Of course, you can adjust those points by simply clicking and dragging them. Notice that you can make the shape concave or convex. And you can add a point after the fact. Once you are certain that your calling area is properly circumscribed, the next step is to select the individual streets in that calling area. Notice that HyperReach will highlight those streets in red. Having circumscribed the target calling area, you can give that area a name for future reference. There are areas of my own town that are next to a chemical processing plant that are pre-selected and named so that if there should be an accident, like the release of some foul-smelling gas, the residents and businesses in the area can be called immediately, bypassing this targeting step. Next, we'll tell HyperReach to start a calling campaign to this designated area. We can simply select a message from our list of messages, or we can create or upload a new message to send. Since we want this message to be specific to the particular incident, I'm going to create a new message. I simply type the message in. HyperReach will convert the message to speech. Having created the message, I just click Submit. The text of this message will be delivered to mobile phone users who are registered to receive SMS text messaging. The audio version of the message will be delivered to people's telephones, and people who have chosen to receive email will receive both the audio and the text versions of the message in their email. Now, having chosen the target calling area and the message, we're just about ready to start. There's just one more option that we may take advantage of, and that is to exclude a particular address from the calling campaign. For example, we may not want to call the house where the hostage is being held. So we have one last time to review everything before launching the campaign with the launch button. And that's all it takes. Once the campaign is launched, you can follow it in the Campaign Manager tab. 1 hour from now, you can use the campaign you launched now to call all the same recipients with an update message. And importantly, HyperReach will maintain an audit trail of the creation and launching of the campaign, including who was notified and the disposition of every call. Thank you for using HyperReach, the power of instant communication.